cheaper. Kaya tayo na mas aesthetic.
Actually, no, it's not that sweet, but it's good for it.
It's good pa rin.
Yeah. It's good.
As a wine down.
And then you can have like yung scented candle. Candle.
Ay, gawin natin next time with wine. Ano? Check mo din.
Saturday wine.
Wine night.
Saturday wine.
Deliver ka ng wine para maka-wine.
Shit cold or what? Doon.
Ako. Okay lang.
Ano na?
Some.
Ayun pala eh. Sige, I have to.
Where's the...
Ano?
Kaya lang. You can build the words here. Tapos
Here.
we'll just place it na lang sa... Bakit naman dirty? Pwede naman hugasan. Kailangan mo yan.
Oh my god! Crazy. That's crazy. That's a crazy line right there.
Yes. Love over silence. Let's... Parang okay siya na. No?
Yeah.
Are you in sci-fi? Ano? Sci-fi mode? Sci-fi mode ka? Oh my gosh.
Uy! Dami na lang.
Kailangan mo naman go to series.
There you go.
That is what is revealed about the child. But for us, we can also use the goal as our response.
Teriyaki chicken. Gyudon meron. Yes. Gyudon.
What did you fish mix dito?
At ano lang sila? Tatlo for
For Japan.
Okay.
Ang mahal pala.
Hello.
January 5. Eat with friends tayo ulit. Eat with friends.
Clingy. Ito lalabas!
Meow meow.
Bakit lalabas siya?
Wala sa mga table.
Ay, yung pagka-soldier jacket mo.
Grabe ka last minute. Kasi sa galing sa
Ay,
Gusto niya na galing sa hindi naman common na. Mini.
Ganyan ba? Hindi ako sobrang, hindi ko na subaybayan ang iPhone niya.
Ang ganda kasi yung
na spoon. Para fruits.
Yeah.
Kahapon na-try ko yung granola ng milk. Ano parang churrinas mo, ano? Padulo. Sabi na.
It's the same thing, just put it in the chat.
Hello. Okay. Day is done. I think. Wait. Papanggap ako na nag-work. Time tracker kasi. I need to move my mouse. Pero tapos naman na yung mga ginawa ko. Mga task ko. Anyway. So, let me just fix this. What am I doing? This week is gonna be Creator Week. So if familiar kayo, si Bill Gates ata does something called a Think Week, wherein he goes to a cabin in the woods, tapos he just thinks, he reflects, he journals, tapos yung mga best ideas niya come from there. For me, I'm doing a different version, which is a Creator Week. Swerte ako kasi yung fiancé ko is in Japan, so I have the place for myself. Ayoko mag-work at home kasi maingay yung mga dogs, hindi ako makapag-vlog. Tapos, I am also looking to really lock in this week. Kasi I have a lot of plans, I have a lot of things that I want to do. So, I want to lock in. So, kukulong ko sarili ko dito for the whole week. How was my first 6 days of the year? Honestly, it's been nice. Ang bagal ng start, pero it doesn't really matter how fast you are when you start the year. You just have to go at your own pace. Nagkataon for me, around a few days ago, that's when things started building up. Nag-build ng momentum yung people I reached out to before. I gained opportunities and I'm trying new businesses and services. So, wala. Parang I just trusted na the work I did noong 2025 kaka-ROI na siya this year. And nagkataon na, yes, nagka-ROI nga. So, this year was nice. I spent time with friends. I spent time alone doing work as well. I did a lot of work just the first few days of the year. I did a lot of reflecting, what I really want to do in life, what I really want to do this year. And I did a lot of just spending time with people. I was able to document at least a lot of the downtime na I had. Kasi ngayon, I'm documenting the work. So today, I just worked. I landed, quote-unquote, my first writing client. I'm actually gonna write for people on LinkedIn. And then I landed this big client na big YouTuber siya and he needs help writing on LinkedIn. I offered it for free kasi I didn't have portfolio. So I feel like kung kayo, if you're trying to do freelancing as wala pa kayong portfolio, you can probably do it for free. Which is something na I'm learning now, na I feel like sana ginawa ko when I was still in college or when I was still studying para baka mamaya I'm paid super high na ngayon kung ganun. Anyway, so I was working with this client. I hopped on a call with him last night. We ideated some LinkedIn posts and then today I wrote them and he was really happy with my output. And then now at night I'm doing my day job, which is I'm an executive assistant. Currently, if I decide to stay, I will transition into heading the LinkedIn content growth of my current client, which is okay naman. I like it. Pero it's hard to work with my current client kasi yun yung nahihirapan ako. I really have a hard time working with him. It's hard to work with. Compared to the work I'm doing now for this other YouTuber, he's actually a creator, so he has the heart of a creator. It's nicer to work with him. As in, I feel energized kahit hindi bayad. And I'd be game to do it for free. Joke lang, I won't be game to do it for free. Pero I feel energized doing the work. Compared to my current job, na parang kalma na ako this week kasi he's gone until the 12th. So I have until the 12th to lock in on my content. What's my plan for for my creator week? My creator think week? My plan is to produce as much content as I can. Meron na akong second channel, I'm just not sharing it with you guys kasi ayokong magulo yung algorithm. If you're looking to learn more about YouTube, you can let me know in the comments if you want that type of content. Pero on YouTube, it's a bad idea to share it with your friends and family. Kaya for this channel, I didn't share it with anyone kasi it actually affects the algorithm. So I grew the channel somewhat quickly because I didn't share it with anyone. So I'm doing the same for my second channel. I'm so sorry. But if you want, you guys can search me up. You can just search my name, David Astillore, and you'll probably find me. Yeah, but I just won't give you guys the link kasi it's a bad idea to give you the link. I am, planning to create content this week. I'll create YouTube videos for this channel. Mag-experiment ako on talking head content. And I want to pivot this channel to talk more about business. Kasi that's what I'm doing. This 2026, I'll actually start building my business and try freelancing seriously. Kasi I actually found something I like na hindi video editing. It's not video editing. It's just writing and also strategy, content strategy for people. Yeah, it's interesting, no? I am excited to work on content this year. Anyway, yan na yung quick update ko for this vlog. I will continue to document my days. I will post this now Monday. And yeah, I'll film more videos na para lang ma-experiment natin yung new content format. Yeah, I want to document what it's like to build a business, to be a creator, and yung back end nun. So I'll try to document as much as I can and share as much insights na I can. Just in case interested din kayo in doing freelancing or starting your own business. Or if gusto nyo mag-upskill for work. Kasi I'd say itong ginagawa ko is also very important for remote work. If you're a graphic designer, a creative, a writer, you need these skills na I'm learning. And I'm also just learning them along the way. And I'm just excited to share them with you. Anyway, so that's what I plan to do. I'll keep documenting the process the next few days. And then I'll share with you guys kung ano man natututunan ko. Anyway, I'll finish up on work and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Right? Hi, good morning. Sobrang tinatamad ako mag-work. Parang anything involving my full-time job, tinatamad ako. Mas gusto ko gawin yung writing gig ko na hindi bayad. I think it just says a lot about my work na hindi talaga ako engaged with my full-time job currently. The thing about my full-time job is kasi siya paid hourly. So parang if you do your job well, lugi ka. If mabilis ka. So for me, I just end up doing it slowly. I take my time. I don't try to finish it. I don't try to over-deliver. I just do it, basically. Kaya ang wish ko is someday, sana soon, I get a job na hindi paid hourly. Kasi sobrang taxing ng hourly. Anyway, yeah, I am I'm gonna have to push myself. Kumain na ako. I ate breakfast kanina. Tinamad ako magluto, so pancit canton lang. I know it's unhealthy. Kakaluto ko lang ng rice. Kakasaing ko lang. So, may pang lunch na ako if I do cook lunch. Yeah, so I just have to get started with my day. The place is a mess. Di naman sobra. Just have my stuff around. This is Day 2 of living alone outside. Living alone for a week in a condo. Okay naman so far. At first, I was like, ang tahimik na nakakabaliw. Pero it was easy to solve naman. I started playing music in the background. Yung fiancé ko plays church songs. She's that kind of girl. Na piano covers. So I started playing those and relaxing nga. So I get the vibe. And yeah, it's just really quiet. Kaya I feel like if once I do move out, because I have plans of moving out, it would take some getting used to. Kasi it's really quiet. As in, I'm not used to the silence. Kasi sa bahay ko, of course, andun parents ko, yung mom ko nasa baba, tapos may dog kami, tapos maingay yung mga dogs. So, if I want to interact with people, bababa lang ako. Tapos pwede na. Dito, hindi lagi. Swerte ako doon na we have friends who work sa coffee shop. So, at 4 p.m. yesterday when I was bored na, I just went to them. And then, nag-hang out na ako for a few hours and then I went back. Anyway, I'll have to do some work and then, yeah, just keep documenting the day. Talk to you in a bit. I'm not really working. Joke lang. I am, konti-konti. It's hard to focus kasi I'm super interested in other things. As in, tapping out na yung brain ko at this point. I don't want to do my real job. Move na lang ng mouse dito sa time tracker. I'm still doing work naman, like part ng job ko ngayon is hiring. So I'm hiring people, pero I'm just not very invested in it. So yeah, I am freaking bored. I'm just happy na I have this second laptop para hindi natatrack yung screen ko. Also, I hate screen tracking. It's very invasive. Parang there's no trust. I think kapag maghanap ka ng work, maghanap ka ng work that is not hourly based. Kasi kung hourly based, if you get better at your work, lugi ka. The second, wala sanang screen tracking kasi that's super invasive. Tapos, para napipilitan ka lang to do work or to move your mouse or whatever. So that's what I'm doing. So instead of being more productive and being more being faster at my work, mas bumagal lang ako kasi lugi ako if I do it fast eh. Lugi ako if I do it correctly. If I be productive at my job. I want to film for my YouTube channel lang. I want to script write. I want to think of video ideas. So yun, I have my work nga lang kaya I can't do it fully. Kung kaya ko na magkagebunshin, mag-clone ng sarili ko and have someone else do my work, that would be nice. Naisipan ko na nga dati mag-hire ng VA to do my job. Pero dahil may computer tracking, we can't really do that, can we? I'm just super tired. I feel like dito sa isa ko pang job, kahit dito sa unpaid job, even if dito sa sa job na hindi paid na I'm writing, na-enjoy ko siya. I really want to do it more. Nasa-stretch yung creative muscles ko. Pagod ako. Tatakot ako na baka mapagod lang din ako this week. Tingin ko I need a day na wala akong full-time work. Friday kaya. I also need to post a video soon. I'll try scripting siguro or ideating like video ideas. Tapos I will make a post. Tapos starting next week, I'll start posting a new set of video for this channel. Kasi sabi ko nga I want to document what it is like to build a a business as a solopreneur in the Philippines. So I have to say, malaking disadvantage to build something if you're in the Philippines, or that's just a limiting belief. Pero kasi diba there's racism, they feel like mas mura dapat kung from the Philippines ka. So yun yung challenge ko, honestly. And I want to overcome that and start building my full-time income from creator work. Ngayon, I don't have my full-time income yet for the work na equivalent sa work ko. I don't know what I'm saying. Hi, I'm tired. How do I set this up? Gusto ko na mag-resign! As in, buong time na wala yung boss ko, sobrang kalma ako. Alam mo yun? So it's a sign na talagang hindi kami fit mag-work ng boss ko. Anyway, I am gonna end this vlog at this na siguro kasi di ko na alam anong i-film ko. I want to start making the different types of content na I want to make, like about growing a business. Yeah, medyo kalat yung week na to. I tried locking in pero hindi ako makalock in ng todo. Pero yeah, we'll figure it out. So yeah, hope you guys are okay. Hope na safe naman kayo wherever you are. I hope na ako lang itong gustong-gusto na mag-resign, tapos kayo sana okay lang kayo with your work. Kasi it's really a hard feeling to be in. I have a lot of friends na gusto na rin mag-resign. I think resignation season din naman talaga in January. We'll see. I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll do our best. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. And yeah, stay safe always. Peace.